जिस बोइंग सुकन्या प्रोग्राम की शुरुआत हुई है, उससे भारत के एविएशन सेक्टर में हमारी बेटियों की भागीदारी और बढ़ेगी। दूर दराज के इलाकों में गरीब परिवार की बेटियों का पायलट बनने का सपना पूरा होगा।
The Sukanya program enables Boeing to invest in a pipeline of talent for women in aviation in India. From the schools where we have STEM labs around the nation, to flight schools, to eventually commercial training, to ensure that we get more and more women up through this curve into the flight decks of the airplanes that fly Indians in India and around the world.
It's not easy in many ways. It's not financially easy. It's not emotionally easy. It's not, people are not even aware of what it takes to become a pilot. And yet, they took that leap. First, the girls want to be that. Of the girls that I've met, every single girl is a powerhouse of her dreams, aspirations, and what she wants to do, and how she views her future as a pilot.
Boeing Sukanya scholarship program not only helps you to become burden free from the financial burden, but I think they provide guidance and mentorship for the girls who don't know anything about aviation.
Boeing is not preaching about women empowerment, it's not talking about women empowerment, but through the Boeing Sukanya program, it is actually acting towards it.
हमारी खुद की भी 5 बहनें हैं, तो उन्होंने मैट्रिक तक पढ़ाई नहीं करी है, और एक हमारी बेटी है, वो अगर पायलट बनने का सपना देख रही है तो शायद बहुत बढ़िया है।
Boeing Sukanya program is not only about finance, it's about trust. The trust they are making in the students, cadets, that they will help cadets with the finances, as well as the cadets can help them with motivating other girls as well.
I dream to fly higher, not just for myself, but for my parents, for my country, and for every young dreamer who dares to look up at the sky with dreams.
Undoubtedly, Boeing Sukanya program provide wings to fly high.
About the Boeing Sukanya program, what I like about is the mission that it holds. It not only it focuses on individual success, but it fosters a culture where everyone can thrive, and everyone can get an opportunity.
You have to just believe in yourself, and you have to believe that you can do it. You will find people, not only your family, that can help you fund your dreams. They will help you complete your dreams and aim for bigger things than you have already thought.
मैं समझता हूँ आने वाले समय में सुकन्या योजना होने से काफ़ी हमारे इंडिया के अंदर काफ़ी प्रभाव पड़ेगा, और काफ़ी लोग ज्वाइनिंग भी करेंगे और मन भी बनाएंगे अपना।
Across India, we meet young girls who are capable and ambitious. Many dream of careers in aviation and aerospace. Yet, too often, these dreams remain distant, limited by financial constraints, lack of exposure, or not even knowing such pathways exist. Our partnership with Boeing through the Sukanya program directly addresses these barriers and strengthens equitable access to opportunity.
In Air India, with our current cadets that we are hiring, we are already at 21%, and we hope to further improve on this. For this piece, every single partnership that we have, like with Boeing Sukanya, would be a deeper commitment, and it would significantly increase our ability to attract more women pilots and give them a great career option.
The value that people add to something coming from the Boeing company, that makes them feel even more confident about what they are going to pursue. And for us, that comes with a responsibility to make sure, first, that we select the right girl candidates for the program, because they will represent India in future. But it also is a responsibility of us as a Boeing company to make sure that it's not just about money, but it's also about long-term commitment to the success and future of these girls.
You are the generation who's going to change the world. By working in aviation, you have an opportunity to change how Indians move through the world, how Indians live, and how Indians interact with all of society, here and around the globe.
मैं बोइंग की पूरी मैनेजमेंट को, सभी स्टेक होल्डर्स को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं।